Good morning, students. I am Muktilal Bandod from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Welcome you for these online classes. Today, in this video, we are going to study a chapter from the first flight from the diary of Anne Frank. Before this chapter, let me tell you about her diary, that is, the diary of a young girl. The Diary of a Young Girl, also known as The Diary of Anne Frank, journal by Anne Frank, a Jewish teenager who chronicled her family's 2 years, that is 1942 to 1944, in hiding during the German occupation of the Netherlands during World War II. The book was published in 1947, 2 years after Anne's death in a concentration camp, and later became a classical of war literature. Background of the novel. In 1933, Anne's family, her father Otto, her mother Edith, and her older sister Margot moved to Amsterdam from Germany following the rise of Adolf Hitler. In 1940, the Netherlands was invaded by Germany, which began to enact various anti Jewish measures, one of which required Annie and her sister to enroll in all Jewish school the following year. On June 12, 1942, Anne received a red and white plate diary for her 13th birthday. That day, she began writing in the book. Life in Hiding and Capture. Over the next 3 years, Anne wrote faithfully in the diary, which she came to consider a friend, addressing many of the entries to Dear Kitty. In the journal and the later notebooks, Anne recounted the day to day life within the annex. The close quarters and sparse supplied led to various arguments among the inhabitants, and the outgoing Anne came to find the condition stifling. Diary compilation and publication. Of the 8 people in the secret annex, only Otto Frank survived the war. He subsequently returned to Amsterdam, where Gijs gave him various documents she had saved from the annex. Among the papers was Anne's diary, though some of the notebooks were missing, notably most of those from 1943. To fulfill Anne's dream of publication, Otto began sorting through her writings and then the publication of the diary done. Summary of the lesson from the diary of Anne Frank. In this lesson, Anne talks about being lonely and having no one to talk to despite being surrounded by family and around 30 people whom she called her friends. Thus, she takes the decision of writing her feelings in a diary. It is unusual for her to write in a diary, but she is really in need of a true friend. Thus, she decides to name her diary Kitty, and unlike other people, she is not going to mention just facts in it. She starts with writing her background to make it easier to understand for others who read it later. She describes her family and early childhood when they migrated from there, and about her schooling earlier. After giving a brief account of her background, she comes to the present day where she tells us about the result day. Everyone in the class is nervous about the result, and boys are even making bets. Anne was quite sure about herself and her friends. She had a good equation with all the teachers except her maths professor, who was constantly annoyed at her for her too much talking habits. Thus, he started giving her punishment in the form of essays and weird topics such as chatterbox, to which she replied with full wit. She wrote essays that were funny and explained that this was a trait that she inherited from her mother and not much could be done about it. He kept on giving her essays until she wrote a satire. After that third and last assignment, Mr. Kissing never pointed her about her talking. Hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Please share and like the video. Thank you.